Hey everybody, this is Brad from the Stock and Options Room at the Live Trading Suite at ShadowTrader.net. And today I want to talk about using Fibonacci retracements for targets. Now in this case, I am short of Apple and I am using a Fibonacci retracement to help me determine where to exit my trade or at least take partial off. Now look, I'm short of Apple. I've been short of Apple for a while. If you were in the live trading room, you would have heard all these trades. But I've been short from up here with my cost basis just around 250 bucks. But that's not what I'm talking about. That's not why I'm here. Again, if you're in the live trading room with myself or Scott or Dave or Mike D and everyone else, you can get these trades. But, you know, for those that aren't in the room, that's fine. I want to show you how to use a Fibonacci for targets. Now, when you're short of something or even long of something, where do you get out, right? I mean, do you get out with just a certain dollar gain? Do you get out with a certain dollar percentage? And that's fine. You can do that, but we're technicians here at ShadowTrader.net. And, you know, one of the things that we look at a lot are trend lines and fib retracements. Now, of course, you can see this trend line has been broken now for some time. And you could have, right? I mean, you could have covered, or anybody could have covered some at the trend line. But I'm here to talk about Fibonacci's. And Fibonacci's are, without a doubt, one of my favorite tools to use. You know, we are technicians. We're not fundamental traders or analysts, but, you know, nothing's perfect, right? So I know I can hear some of you already saying, oh, technical analysis doesn't work. Well, listen, nothing's perfect, right? But take my word for it. The Fibonacci is one of the greatest things that I've ever come across. So anyway, so I'm short of Apple. Where the heck do I want to get out? So this is a one-year daily chart. And what I do is I put the fib from the 52-week low to the 52-week high. This up here is an extension, so don't worry about that. But as you can see here, the 38.2% retracement coincides right with some nice prior support. And whenever a fib is close to a prior support, and you can see these November lows, this is where I want to cover, right? Somewhere between 220 and 221 is where I want to cover, or at least start to think about covering some Apple. So right in this area is where I'll probably take some of it off. Now, I'm not going to take the whole position off. I might take a quarter, because why? The next target I'm looking for is a 50% retracement, and it also coincides with some prior support going back to September. So the next target area would be around 211 to 210. And then if we get really lucky and the market tanks, and by the way, I'm a bull at heart, but you know, Apple was just way overdone. That's why I was telling people in the room I'm short. And that's why I'm staying short of Apple. But if we get really lucky, then I'll be looking for the 61.8 right around the 200 area, and also this prior support here in the August lows. So again, it's a great tool, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just telling you, get used to the Fibonacci's. If you're short of stock, right, you start at the low, connect it to the high, and then you'll get the retracements to the downside, whether it be the 38, the 50, or the 61.8. By the way, these things, now this happens to be a one-year daily chart, but you can also use these things on a weekly time frame, a monthly time frame, but you can also use them on an hourly chart, or you can use them on a 15-minute chart if you're more active in a day trade. And one of the examples I use with people in the room here is a Fibonacci retracement as far as targets, because here Monday morning I was talking, the market was too oversold, it was due for a bounce. And basically what I did was I looked at the Monday high, the 6th, to Monday the 13th low. Sure enough, the first stop was a 38.2. Then we blew through this 50% because of the CPI data. Now remember, this is a 1 month, 2 hour chart. So this is when the CPI number came out. But we took out the 61.8 and then we stopped. And this was a target we gave people in the room at the 78.6% retracement up at 60.15. And that was a target that I gave people several days ago based on the fibs. So again, get used to them. I love using them for targets. I love using them also for potential stop outs. So get used to the Fibonacci's. I think you'll really, really enjoy them, and hope it helps, and hope to see you in the room. Take care. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.